Health benefit of banana. Bananas are one of the most popular fruits in the world. They are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that are beneficial for our health. In this video we will be discussing the various health benefits of bananas. Bananas are a rich source of essential nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin B6, and potassium. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps to boost our immune system and protect our body from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin B6 is essential for the proper functioning of our nervous system, while potassium helps to regulate our blood pressure and maintain heart health. Bananas are also a great source of dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining good digestive health. Fiber helps to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. Bananas also contain prebiotics that help to promote the growth of healthy gut bacteria, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Studies have shown that consuming bananas regularly can help to improve heart health. The potassium in bananas helps to regulate blood pressure, which in turn reduces the risk of heart disease. The fiber in bananas can help to lower cholesterol levels, which is also beneficial for maintaining heart health. Bananas are a great source of carbohydrates, which are essential for providing our body with the energy it needs to function properly. Bananas also contain natural sugars such as fructose, glucose, and sucrose, which are easily digestible and provide an instant energy boost. Bananas are low in calories and high in fiber, making them an ideal snack for those trying to lose weight. The fiber in bananas helps to keep us feeling full for longer periods, thus reducing our overall calorie intake. Bananas also contain resistant starch, which is a type of carbohydrate that is not easily digested, thus promoting weight loss. Banana can improve mood. Bananas contain an amino acid called tryptophan, which is essential for the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood. The natural sugars in bananas also provide an instant energy boost, which can help to improve our mood and reduce stress levels. Bananas are a delicious and nutritious fruit that offers numerous health benefits. Whether you are looking to improve heart health, boost energy levels, or aid weight loss, incorporating bananas into your diet can help to promote overall health and well-being. Next time you are looking for a healthy snack, reach for a banana.